Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Hassan Ahmed here from The Expertise, and welcome to our HTML lecture number 2, Declaration and the First Code. So, in previous lecture, I provided some information about HTML and its basic structure, and I had also made a video uh, of that lecture, and I hope that would be helpful for you all, and especially for newbies. So in this lecture you will get to know about HTML declaration and how to write your first HTML code and how to save the file. So what is HTML declaration? Declaration is basically the document type of the file we are using in the browser. HTML5 should be declared as stock type HTML covered with uh, angle brackets in the start of the code and before HTML tag. In previous version of HTML, the document type was declared in three different ways, but now in HTML5 it's only one way to do it. Document type HTML, the declaration tells the browser that what version of HTML the page is using. You must use this declaration in your page, otherwise the browser will face some problems to load the code correctly because some new elements are not supported by the old version of HTML. So basically the declaration actually tells the browser that what type of HTML version we are using, and after getting declaration the browser loads the whole code properly and it displays the content in front of you on your web page. So how to write your first HTML code? So I will use Notepad++, and you can also use Notepad++, or you can also use simple Notepad. So just open your text editor. I am opening Notepad++. So this is the blank page, and let me write our first code of HTML. So in start of the in the start of the code we should declare our document type. In the HTML5 the way we declare the page is like this: left angle bracket, then exclamation mark, and then doc type space HTML, and then right angle bracket. So it's the declaration of HTML5, and after that we will I will put the HTML opening tag. After that after the opening tag of HTML we have to put our head section. This is the opening tag of head and line break, and this is the closing tag of head. Keep in mind that opening tag of every element should be covered with left and right angle bracket, and the closing tag also covered with left and right angle bracket, but before the tag name we should place a forward slash in the tag, because this slash will tell the browser that this is a closing tag. A closing tag must have a forward slash in before the name of the tag. So uh, it's the start of the head tag and it's a closing of the head tag. So in between in these two tag, opening and closing tag, we should put our web page title, which is title, the opening tag and the closing tag, and between these two tag we will write our title. This is my first code. So the head tag is complete. Now break, and now our body starts. So this is the opening tag of our body, and after this we will let me close the body tag, and after this close the HTML tag. So this is the basic structure, and this is the code of HTML. This is the basic code of HTML, and the document tab should be declared just like this, and it will not close anywhere. it just start, it will not close anywhere because this will cover the whole document till the end. And we don't know how much lines that this page will contains, and of how many lines of code we will write in future. So that's why the document type tag will not close, because it will cover the whole page. Now uh, now how to save and which format we will use to save the file. First of all, click on file, click on save, and let me save it in expertise. Now, as I previously told you that the main on home page should be saved as index.html, but but you can use any name right now. Let me page 1. After that, you can see here .txt and multiple files. And in notepad you will not in notepad you will not see this multiple file extensions. So the easiest way is give a name, after that place a dot, and then dot html, and click on save. So now the file is saved as dot html with an html extension. So how to open this in browser? You can directly run the file by double clicking on the file, or if you are using notepad you can also click on run and launch in chrome or any other browser. But so here is our title. This is my first code, but nothing is there in the body because we have not written anything in the body text. So let me write something. This is my page body section dot control s refresh, and now here is my text in the body section of the page. So this was the first code of html, and in next lecture we will cover what are html elements, tags and attributes, and what are the difference between these three things of html. So see you in next lecture. Allah Hafiz. Goodbye.